Hello students, we are going to solve next question of exercise 1.1 chapter first integer for class 7th. Fourth question is a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level at a particular point. It is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? In the figure you can see this is the height of the plane from sea level and this is the depth of submarine below the sea level. Then solution: height of the plane above the sea level is equal to 5000 meter. Depth of the submarine below the sea level is equal to minus 1200 meter. Therefore, distance between them is equal to 5000 meter plus minus 1200 meter minus 5000 meter minus 1200 meter is equal to 5000 meter plus 1200 meter is equal to 6200 meter. This is the answer. Let's see next question. Question number 5th is Mohan deposited rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Let's solve it. Amount deposited is equal to rupees 2000. Amount withdrawal is equal to rupees 1642. Therefore, balance is equal to, we have to subtract, balance is rupees, ये amount withdrawal denoted by negative integer and amount deposited is denoted by positive integer. Therefore, clear balance in his account will be rupees 2000 minus rupees 1642. Therefore, 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 4, 5, and 9 minus 6, 3. 358 rupees. Thus, rupees 358 is balance in his account after the withdrawal. This is the answer. Let's see question number 6. Question number 6 is Rita goes 20 km toward east from a point A to the point B. From B, C moves 30 km toward west along the same road. If the distance toward east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent distance covered towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Distance covered in east is equal to AB is equal to 20 kilometer and distance covered in west AC is equal to 30 kilometer. Therefore, distance between A and C is equal to 20 kilometer minus 30 kilometer is equal to minus 10 kilometer. We can see on number line, first he is at 0 at situation A. He goes to 20 kilometer from A to B is equal to 20 kilometer. After this, he moves towards C 30 kilometer. Moves in each direction which will be denoted by positive integer, and in distance covered in left hand side or west side is denoted by negative integer. Therefore, final position of Rita will be minus 10 kilometer from A, between A and C. Thus, final position of Rita is minus 10 kilometer from A. This is answer.